On August 3, 1914, Germany launched an attack on France, implementing the Schlieffen Plan, which aimed to swiftly defeat France before turning to Russia. Germany's invasion through Belgium led Britain to declare war on Germany. This attack marked a crucial turning point in World War I, which saw the world divided into allied nations, the US, Britain, France, and Russia, and Axis nations, such as Germany, Hungary, the Ottoman Empire, and Austria. The war, triggered by Austria's attack on Serbia, resulted in the deaths of 9 to 11 million soldiers and 6 to 12 million civilians. The post-war period saw establishment of League of Nations to foster peace and cooperation. On August 3, 1886, Maithili Sharan Gupta, a revered Hindi poet, was born in Uttar Pradesh. Known as the first significant poet of Khari Boli in Hindi literature, he was affectionately called Dada by his peers. Gupta's contribution earned him the Padma Bhushan in 1954. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Kavi Divas. An active participant in freedom movement, Gupta was arrested in April 1914 for his role in Satyagraha but was released after 7 months. His impactful writings challenged British rule, earning him the title of National Poet from Gandhi. His notable works include Bharat Bharati, Jayadratha Vadh, and Saket. His poem Nar Ho Na Nirash Karo Man Ko continues to inspire, often featured on political platforms. Maithili Sharan Gupta passed away on December 12, 1964. Born on August 3, 1984 in Sikandrabad, Sunil Chhetri is marking his 40th birthday today. Renowned as the highest goal scorer for the Indian national football team, Chhetri retired from international football on June 6, 2024. With his 80 goals for India, he has significantly raised the profile of Indian football on the global stage. Chhetri's football legacy is deeply rooted in his family. His father, K.B. Chhetri, was an army man and football player, while his mother, Shushila, represented the Nepal national team. Despite frequent relocations due to his father's army career, Chhetri's passion for football remained unwavering. Chhetri is also among the top international goal scorer, trailing only behind Portugal's Cristiano Ronaldo, Iran's Ali Daei, and Argentina's Lionel Messi with a total of 94 international goals. Swami Chinmayanand, born on May 8, 1916 in Kerala, passed away on August 3, 1993. Renowned for his promotion of Vedanta philosophy, Swamiji was a pivotal figure in Hindu spirituality. Observing widespread religious misconceptions across India, he founded the Chinmaya Mission in 1953 to dispel these misunderstandings and revive pure religious teachings. Through the Gita Gyan Yagya and the Chinmaya Mission, he propagated the knowledge of Advait Vedanta, the Bhagavad Gita, and Upanishads, fostering a global Hindu spiritual and cultural renaissance. Today, Chinmaya Mission boasts over 300 centers worldwide, continuing its mission through educational, spiritual, and charitable endeavors.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 3, 1954, the Department of Atomic Energy was established by presidential order. Located in Mumbai and directly reporting to the Prime Minister, the DAE aims to enhance India's technological capabilities, drive wealth creation, and improve the quality of life for its citizens. The first chairman of the Indian Atomic Energy Commission was the renowned scientist Homi Jahangir Bhabha, who served from 1948 to 1966. The DAE is responsible for organizing nuclear research, training scientists, prompting research in its laboratories, and exploring and utilizing atomic minerals on an industrial scale. On August 3, 1977, Tandy Corporation introduced the TRS-80, the world's first home computer. Priced at $500, it featured a 12-inch monitor, 4 KB RAM, 1.77 mHz Z80 processor, a cassette recorder, and a cassette tape containing 2 games, Blackjack and Backgammon. In its first month, 5,000 units were sold, marking a significant shift from computers being used only by technical enthusiasts to becoming accessible to general public. The idea for this groundbreaking device came from Don French, who along with young engineer Steve Lininger designed and launched the TRS-80, making home computing a reality. On August 3, 1958, the USS Nautilus made history as the world's first nuclear-powered submarine to cross the North Pole. This achievement was part of Operation Sunshine, launched during the Cold War rivalry between the Soviet Union and the United States. After the Soviets' October 1957 Sputnik satellite launch, America aimed to demonstrate its own technological prowess. Although an initial attempt on June 9, 1958 was thwarted by a large sea rock, the mission was successfully completed on August 3 when the Nautilus navigated through the North Pole, marking a significant milestone in naval and nuclear technology.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.